Hello everyone, myself Umrav
and myself Pratik Jangali.
and we are the industrial visitor of student alumni team from Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad.
We all sat team members of Alumni Association of Government Engineering College Aurangabad, Mr. Kulkarni sir and Mr. Deshmukh sir, our President of Student Council Mr. Roshan Patil, our Faculty Advisor of Student Alumni team Mr. Vasankar sir.
And we are here come to our second industrial visit at Bhusawal. This industrial visit at Ordnance factory of Bhusawal.
This industrial visit is being planned under the collaboration of IIC and Student Alumni team.
And this industrial visit is sponsored by Alumni Association of Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad.
Now we will move further towards our factory journey, and we will be meeting our GM sir, Mr. Vasant Nimje sir, and AGM Mr. SS Sarkar sir.
Now we are moving toward our question and answering session. We will ask some questions to our students who are visiting the industry.
I would like to call Rahul Patle for questioning and answering.
Mr. Raut, what was your experience talking with general manager?
Hello, when the meeting started, when we were in the conference room, we were not expecting that this kind of experience we will get from this factory, because as per this is a government industry, right? And government industry itself says this much discipline was nowhere expected, right? But we found everything which we never expected from this company, right? And the experience talking to general manager was amazing, and he's a very experienced and well-known man. He told us lots of things about defense, about the ordnance factory, about the production, and lots of problems they are facing in their industry, and also they ask for the innovative solutions on their problems as well.
Okay. What do you think about the newly technology to be implemented in the ordnance factory?
Well, as I think this factory is still working on lots of outdated technologies. Like still everyone is working on the manual machineries, right? So what I feel that all the machineries should be replaced with the automated machineries. In terms to like, we have to, until and unless we don't work on efficiency, we will not go towards profit, right? And in terms to go towards profit, we need to update these things. Second, there were lots of errors the complete team of Ordnance is facing, and we have to work on that errors as well, like that sheet folding error and all. Those things need some work and some solution to be focused on.
Out of various shops we have visited, which shop do you like? Okay.
Out of the various shops, I like the Pinaka shop.
Why?
Pinaka pot shop, because Pinaka, I will like to give a detailed information regarding it. Pinaka rocket is successfully manufactured at the OHFB BH since 1st September 2014 itself, and the rocket has a range of 40 kilometers.
Yeah.
The pods are manufactured at this plant. Akhilesh Yadav sir have given us a detailed information regarding that shop. The side channels of the Piranha pod are manufactured on the CNC machine. It takes around 40 minutes to manufacture those side channels. The materials selected for that channels are aluminium RDE 40. It is selected on the basis of its hardness and high resistant at high temperature point. Also, the pods design are spiral in shape, so that the design of the spiral shape is considered by taking aerodynamics in consideration. Apart from that, Akhilesh sir have also guided us regarding pods per regiment. He told us that 72 pods are given per regiment, and there are 12 pods per truck and 6 trucks per regiment. So it concludes to 72 pods per regiment. Also, you have guided us regarding the new pod for guided missile, which has a range of 78 kilometers. There are different fixtures used for the fixturing of those channels. So an aging process is performed on that, so that the stresses generated after welding are being relieved. Also, he have guided us regarding the epoxy fiber material which is used on the outer pods, which resists the heat at that point. He have also mentioned that the DPCM, that is dual purpose improved conventional ammunition, have been successfully tested on 9th of December 2021, and their pods are also been started manufacturing at this plant.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now I would like to call Yash to share his views. Just I would like to ask one question. What you seen in the industry in the visit? What process are you going on in the powder coating plant?
The process which are carried out in powder coating plant is that firstly whichever the material we are going to paint, with the help of nozzle the material is clean. In that nozzle with water soda is added so that the material can be clean very well. After that we are adding we are just cleaning it by activator, which activates the material surface through which the potassium can be applied on the metal. And after that potassium we again the material goes under spray in which there is passivator which stabilize the surface of the metal. After that it undergoes spraying that powder. All this process happens at macro level, at molecular level. After that the powder spray is painted on the surface and at all in every angle, so that the process is completed there.
We also visited in the tool room also. What things are created in the tool room?
In tool room there is a CNC machine. In the tool room the slots are created on which we can the slots are created and the design is put in the CNC machine with the help of G code and F code. After that the material is milling is happening on the material and the slot is created. After that with the help of the press machine, with the press machine the slot the sheet is kept under the press machine and the sheet is pressed in that slot. And after that the sheet takes the shape of the slot which we want. All these things happens in the tool. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Mr. Kulkarni sir, the founder and GM of C-Cross, to share his views about the industrial visit at Ordnance Factory, Bhusawal.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मनोहर कुलकर्णी है। मैं फाउंडर और जनरल मैनेजर C-Cross LLP। मैं इस विज़िट के लिए आया था इस पर्पज़ से कि यहाँ एक ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री में मैं एक एक्स सर्विसमैन हूँ और एक्स सर्विसमैन के लिए मैं कुछ काम करना चाहता था। तो इस पर्पज़ से मैं यहाँ आया था। मुझे मेजर फिरासत मैम ने स्पेशली रिकमेंड किया था कि इस टूर विज़िट पे जाइए। ऑर्डिनेंस विज़िट एक ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री की विज़िट एक अलग आपके लिए मोटो लेके आएगी। मैं यहाँ आया, मुझे और जैसे उन्होंने रिकमेंड किया था वैसे ही यहाँ मैं पाया। ये गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के जो बच्चे हैं इनके साथ में काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला, नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में इंटरेक्शन मिला। और जो फ़ौज में हमने चीज़ें हैंडल की है उसका यहाँ पर थ्योरेटिकल प्रैक्टिकल सब कुछ देखने को मिला। और ये गवर्नमेंट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के जो लड़के हैं इनका एक मोटिवेशन देखते हुए और इनका जो देश के प्रति जो हमारी जो फैक्ट्रीज़ है उनका काम कैसे चलता है, कैसे होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, इसके प्रति जो इनका व्यूज़ देख के मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा ही लग रहा है कि आने वाली पीढ़ी ज़रूर देश के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर जाएगी। और इसी आशा के साथ मैं इन सबको अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और मेरे तरफ से इनके लिए जो भी कुछ बन सकता है मैं ज़रूर करूँगा। थैंक यू।
So now I would like to call President of our Student Council of Government Engineering College Aurangabad, Mr. Roshan Patil, to share his views with the meeting has done with our GM, Mr. Vasant Nimje sir.
Thank you, Pratik. If I want to speak about the interactive meeting with General Manager Mr. Vasant Nimje sir, it was a nice experience to interact with such a personality who has a multifaceted personality. Sir shared his views on new technologies. Sir also gave us some inputs about the new technologies, innovative ideas which can be employed in ordnance factory. Sir actually invited us in this ordnance factory to inspect which are the points wherever we can improve as an ordnance factory and can employ automated technologies in this ordnance factory. During our meeting with General Manager Vasant Nimje sir, our students from our institute gave a brief presentation about various clubs of our institute, which consisted of various technical clubs like Team Aryans, Team Sabrotics and Team Techro. Nimje sir was fascinated by the ideas of Team Techros, because Team Techros is working on the ideas of drones. They have actually built drones which are multitask oriented. They have also prepared a robot which has a voice assistant. I think, sir, this idea clicked the most to general manager, sir.
Yes, of course.
And if you notice the toning of general manager, sir, he was actually wanted us to be a motivated citizen dedicated to our country.
Yes.
Because he was specially emphasizing on the fact that our youth need to be innovative, our youth need to be energetic, our youth need to be active, and he must be dedicated for our country. His ideas were fully embedded in our general manager sir's speech. At last, we also shared some expectation as a president of student association. I expected from Ordnance Factory that if Ordnance Factory and Government Engineering College, these are both the government entities, if they can collaborate in any projects, in any other innovative technologies or on any other ideas, I think it will be a one of the first collaboration of engineering institute of our state government with other ordnance factories. So we are thinking of signing MOUs with ordnance factory in future as possible. We also ask general manager, sir, that if we can employ our students like from Team Techro, Team Aryans and Team Cybertics on various projects, sir actually accepted our idea, and sir also invited us to work on these ideas. Sir also told us that if you have any projects, please come with your projects to our ordnance factory. Also, sir, also we requested from student association, from all students of our institute, that sir should have we should have a guest lecture, motivational lecture with Vasan Nimje sir, because he has a great experience, 35 years of experience. I think it's a great dedication and passion for our country, and all things. I think it's a great experience for me as a president of student association, and I think it is a successful industrial visit, because
Yes, of course.
we got many positive outcomes. For example, like Team Techro, sir invited Rahul Patle, the technical secretary of AAGECA, to come and personally visit the section of ordnance factory wherever improvements are needed. And sir also asked if they have any projects, then we can collaborate with partnership. They are ready. If we have any idea, they are ready to give us manufacturing support. We have ideas, we have new technology, we are searching for new ideas. They are ready to give us manufacturing and also the support. So I think it's a successful visit, and I think we should thank Alumni Association of AAGECA for having this virtual industrial visit.
Definitely.
And also I express special thanks to Professor Vasankar sir to give us the specific ideas about this industrial visit, because I think it's a ordnance factory. I think it is the first ever visit to any ordnance factory.
Yes.
So,
Thank you, Roshan Patil. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, Yash. Thank you, Sarthak. And thank you, our President of Student Council, Mr. Roshan Patil, to share their views. And hope you all explore the industrial visit at Ordnance Factory Bhusawal and gain a lot of knowledge from this industrial visit. Thank you a lot. Now I would like to call Mr. Vasankar sir, faculty advisor of Student Alumni team, to give a vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you. So here we are today for the last session of today's visit to Ordnance Factory Bhusawal. I am very much thankful to our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. AAGECA sir, for allowing me and the SAT team members to visit this Ordnance Factory Bhusawal. I am also thankful to Dr. Ratnaparkhi ma'am, President IIC, Government Engineering College Aurangabad, for arranging this activity under the IIC activity for this session. I am thankful to the General Manager of this Ordnance Factory Bhusawal, Mr. Nimje sir, Assistant General Manager Sarkar sir, HR Manager Mr. Masal sir, Patil sir, Raut sir, who has coordinated all this activity, allowed us to visit this factory, all their production facility, and I am especially thankful to the general manager sir, who initially gave us a time of half an hour, but with the presentation of our students, the meeting was extended to 1.5 hours. So it shows that today's visit was very much helpful, not only to the students of our institute, but also to the defense or the factory. And we will definitely come up with some positive output from this visit. We will also invite the general manager sir for having one motivational session for our students in next month. I am thankful to Alumni Association of Government Engineering College Aurangabad, President Mr. Somani sir, Vice President Bondekar sir, then our Secretary Umrikar sir for sponsoring this complete activity visit to this factory. I am very much thankful to them. And finally, I am thankful to the SAT team members who were working hard from last 1 week to carry out this activity. And now this is coming to an end, so it is not possible without the help of this SAT team member. So I am thankful to the SAT team member also. Thank you all.